I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mr. Love, Queen's Choice. To begin, focus on advancing through the main story chapters. This unlocks new features and content. Remember to complete your daily tasks. They provide essential resources like gold and gems. Interacting with the 4 male leads builds your affection levels, which is crucial for unlocking special scenes and stories. Collecting and upgrading karma cards is key to success in challenges. Karma cards are central to your progress. Each card possesses unique attributes such as decision, creativity, affinity, and execution. Upgrading these cards with materials from challenges and events significantly boosts their power. Evolving a card not only enhances its stats, but also reveals stunning new artwork and stories. Strategically choosing the right karma cards for each mission based on their attributes is vital for victory. To maximize your progress, consistent daily engagement is key. Daily missions offer a steady stream of gold, experience, and other valuable items. Don't forget to utilize the City Stroll feature. It's a great way to earn extra affection with the male leads and gather useful materials. Keep an eye out for limited-time events, as they often provide exclusive karma cards and rare resources. The Stylist Contest is also a fun way to test your card collection. Building affection with the 4 male leads is a core part of the experience. Engage with them through calls, texts, and dates to deepen your bond. As your affection grows, you'll unlock their unique character stories, revealing intricate backstories and beautiful CGs. Your dialogue choices can influence your relationships, so choose wisely. Ultimately, immerse yourself in the rich narrative and enjoy the compelling character development that Mr. Love, Queen's Choice offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.